Hey guys, good afternoon. Have you all done your assignments? Guys, am I audible? Guys, anyone here? Any doubts in previous class? Guys, Bhavya, Harsha, Narari, Surya, Yogesh. Reply something. Guys, any doubts? Last class we saw login, logout, register. Guys, are you there in class? Why no one is replying? Am I audible? Yes. Any doubts in previous class? Then tomorrow you guys have to work on a project, electronic service project. Today we complete the Django. We just need to filter the data today. All topics have been covered. We just need to filter the data according to the logged in user. So any doubts? Doubts? Others? Harsha, Narahari, Surya, Yogesh. And where is Bharat? Yes, it's in terms of minutes. Yes, others, where are you? Surya? What about your assignments? Guys? note of stage. Okay. Others? Harsha, Narahari, Yogesh. Harsha, Yogesh, Narahari. No notes in previous class. Login, logout, register. Okay, we are still in hospital. Okay, let's continue with today's class. Today we'll see how to filter this data. Okay, before filtering, we have to connect this table to user table. This contact table we have to link to this user. Okay, then we can filter according to the username. Okay, here I want a field, one more field, which will show the user's data. Now we have three users. Here it will show three users data like that. Okay, to do that, come to models.py. Here below the message, I will add one more user equal to. Before that, we need to import this model, this user model. Okay, this is predefined model, so we have to call it from Django. From Django dot contrib dot path dot models. This is the location. Import user. One second, guys. Okay. So what we are doing? User model. Here we'll give models dot foreign key. Okay, foreign key for user model. Okay, U capital user. Okay, then I will write one more condition on delete models dot cascade. Okay, when the user is deleted, his data also should get deleted. See now, suppose these two belongs to this data, Shahul data. Now if I delete that user, Shahul user, these two items also should get deleted. Okay, that's why we have to give models dot cascade. You know what is the next step? I have edited the table. Okay, this is model which will be converted to database table. Now I have changed something. Okay, now what I have to do? Any idea? Anyone? what we have done when we created this model first time. First we created this model, then we did something. Anyone? Bharat, Surya, Narahari, Bhavya. Guys, any idea? When we created this model, we did something. What we did? Anyone? Bharat, Narahari, Yogesh. No idea, guys. We applied the changes. How to apply the changes? This one. Migrate. Okay, before that, we need to fetch the changes. Make migrations. Okay, see, it will detect the changes. Database and the okay, one. Acha, it is telling me to add this one. Exit. Yeah. See, there are already some modules are present here now. That's why it's telling add null value. Here we have to give null equal to 2. Okay, null equal to 2. Save. Now we'll add make migrations. Okay, see, add field user to contact. Some changes has been detected. Now apply the changes. Migrate. Okay, applied. Now if you see in this contact form, refresh. See, I got a one more field, user field. Here I will get to see these users. Only the sharp 3 users. Understood, guys? Simply call the user model, give foreign key as user, on delete models dot cascade. Then null equal to true. Okay, now I can assign the contacts. That first one I will give it to this user. Save. And second I will give it to same user. Okay, I'm assigning to different users. Now I can filter the data according to this user. Okay, and before that, instead of applying like this, see, I'm going here, selecting, saving. Now I want to do it from here, okay, from this form. And I don't want to show that field here. It should automatically fetch the data of user data here. Or else it will be upward here. See, if I give here one more field, user. Okay, then contact. Here I will call for user. It is not looking good. While filling this contact form, okay, I want to select the user. I don't want to do this thing. Whatever user is logged in, it should get saved here automatically without showing this form, this field. Yeah. So we'll do this one. We'll do it from backend. In forms also no need. Okay, now when I press save here, okay, then here it is getting saved. Now here I want to do something. I need to fetch the logged in user's data, then assign it to that variable. Yeah, this field user. Okay, so first what I will do here, while saving I will give commit false. Okay, it will not commit this data, and if I give commit false, it will return the data. Okay, that return value I need to store here. I will give contact self even variable which stores the data before saving it. Now I will give mm, I want to save this in user. What I can do contact user. We will call that variable. Okay. Now this is holding these fields. Now using that contact, I'm calling user this one. Okay, this column. Okay, go to user and that it should be equal to request. Okay, from request, I will fetch the logged in user data. This is stored in the request. So we give request dot user or user is fine. Request dot user should be equal to this field. Okay, here it will get assigned. Then now I will give contact dot save. That's it. Errors, no errors. Okay, now I will refresh. I give mm, new. Okay, now we will send. Shower bridge has been saved. Now I will check here contacts, new, and user is assigned. See, automatically got assigned here. Understood, guys? First, I gave commit false and store the data into a variable called contact. Any variable you can give. Then, using that variable, call the user column. That column should be equal to this one. Okay, after running this current user data, contact.save. Okay, then second one is very simple, filtering. Here I have given contact.objects.all. Okay, you remember view contact user. Yes, contact.objects.all. Okay, so it is showing all objects here. Okay, now I want to filter using this column here, this row name. Okay, now objects.all. Instead of all, I will give filter. The condition will be user equal to request dot user. A filter where user is equal to current user Shahul. Okay, so it will show only his data. So only three items. Okay, now we'll add one more data here. Anything? Give second. Save. Okay, see I got all the objects. Now it is coming here. I want to reverse this one. Whatever I add new, that new should be new object should show here on first. Now it is coming in last. Okay, I need to reverse this loop. So loop where I have given view context, say for loop. Here just give reversed. Reversed. See, got reversed. Now it is in first. Okay, here you just give after data reversed. Okay, reverse follow. Ulta. In views you have to give here instead of all filter where user equal to user request. In addition, this thing commit false, share it in a variable, and call that row user row, then assign it the value contact.save. Understood, guys? Guys, any confusion? Bharat, Surya, Harsha, Harsha Hospital, Bhavya, Narahari, no confusion. Easy, no? Just keep commit false, call the row name, save. Then instead of objects.all filter where user equal to request user. And whenever we change something here, we have to run those commands. Make migrations and migrate. Only in models. If I edit one line in one word also, if see maximum length I will give 10. Then again I have to apply the changes. Here we are just defining the class. We have to apply it in database. To apply that we have to give make migrations, migrate two commands. Okay, so all topics have been covered now. CRUD operations, login, logout, filter. So your project will be this one. This one I will run in a different server. This one is running on 8000. Here I will give something 5000. I can change the port number here like that. Current server 5000. Now it will get run on different URL. See, HTTP 1270 different port. Okay, this will be your project. Okay, simple. This is just design. Okay, here you will have this one. Okay, review which we have already made. Form and this one. Okay, then contact. This one also we have done already. This one you can ignore. Then service gallery reviews. Okay, I need to log in first. So if I log in, see like this is login page. The same design you have to create. One, two, three. Uh, See once you log in, see before these two options were not there. Book and my appointments. Okay, now see we got this form also. This logic you have to apply using if condition. If user is login, show this form or else just show the reviews like that something. And here also you have to apply if condition. From here we will request an appointment. Okay, then my appointments. There is zero no appointments. Contact page. This is electronic service website. Okay, see these are the services: computer repair, laptop, smartphones. Here we can select the service. Description. What is the problem we have to describe here? Date, month. Date I will be is 2025. 11 and 2. Okay, I want till 11th of November 9. Submit. I see. Or you can remove this one. This is useless, I guess. This date month. I see service status pending. Okay, I will share you the screenshots of this one, everything. You guys have to work on this design. Okay, for this one, I will give you 2 days time. Today is Monday. Wednesday, Thursday. Like, Wednesday means Thursday. All you have to show me the design. Okay, then after completing that, you have to work on the backend also. Final submission will be on Saturday. This Saturday. This week I can't do. Bhavya. Okay. Bhavya and Yogesh. Your last date is the 30th, I guess, no? Internship last date. Bhavya. Bhavya. Bhavya and one more guy, Yogesh. Yes. The 30th is your last date. 3 days. Mm. And tomorrow you have internals. Till when you have internals? Okay, till Friday. Okay, then I will talk to sir. We can extend to one more week, I guess. Next week. Let's see, I will inform you. And Yogesh, even you also. Internals. Okay, so you both can show me. Okay, first let me discuss with this. Let's see what he tells. And others, Bharat, Harsha, Surya. This Saturday will be. You have to show me this whole project. This design you have to submit on the Thursday. Okay, I will share the screenshots. Any doubts here in this project? I'm here login as admin. Data I don't have it. Okay. And others? Harsha, Narahari, Surya. If you have any doubts, you can ask. There are some errors. Yes. Yes, you can share. I'll stop sharing. Hmm. Cannot import registration form from my forms. You have to save that file. See, it is not saved. Save form files. Save all files. You go to file, top left. Your network is slow. You save all files, then run the command. Your screen is stuck. Okay, PU runs server. Yes. Okay. You have to save files. That's it. Others, any doubts? Thanks. Welcome. Yes. No doubts, sir. Okay, this. Then let's end this class today. I will share you these screenshots. Start working on this design. Can you share the code of my project? My projects. This one, though. There's nothing in my projects. Not this one. Where is that? It got closed, I guess. In my project, we'll just have this one settings.py, urls.py. In URLs, you have to include my app URLs. Settings, just register the templates and this one, my app. That's it. And this one you have to comment out. Enter code. Okay. Okay, I will share this one also. Okay, now you guys have to work on this one, this design. Okay, Thursday everyone have to show me this. This one you have already done reviews, and this one also I've done. And here you can add some images. The server is stopped. Any other doubts? No doubts, sir. Okay, then let's end this class today. Okay, you can leave the class. If you have any doubts, you can text me on WhatsApp.